Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer campaigns from Marketo to Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the transfer process, log in to your Marketo account. Access the campaign that you wish to transfer to Salesforce. Take note of the campaign settings, including the campaign name, description, and any associated assets. Next, open your Salesforce account in a separate tab. Navigate to the Campaigns section in Salesforce. Create a new campaign by clicking on the New button. In the new campaign window, fill in the campaign name and description. Ensure the campaign type and status match those in your Marketo campaign. Once you have entered all necessary details, save the new campaign in Salesforce. Return to your Marketo account and go to the Email Programs or Assets section. Identify any emails associated with the campaign you're transferring. Download these email templates or content files for later use in Salesforce. Now, head back to your Salesforce campaign. Upload the email content by using the Files or Email Templates options available in Salesforce. If your Marketo campaign includes lead lists or members, export this list. You can do this by going to the Leads section in Marketo and selecting the relevant leads. Export the lead data in a suitable format, such as CSV. Next, return to Salesforce and import these leads into your new campaign. Make sure to map the fields correctly during the import process. After importing the leads, review the campaign settings in Salesforce to ensure everything reflects accurately. If your Marketo campaign has reports or performance metrics, consider recreating these in Salesforce for consistency. Finally, test the integration by sending a test email or using features linked to the campaign to confirm everything is functioning correctly. Your campaign should now be fully transferred from Marketo to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.